Hi children, welcome to math class. In previous class, we have completed 3 problems in exercise 9.2. Now in this class, we are going to solve the 4th problem. All of you open page number 236 and observe the 4th one. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 3 centimeters such that the segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are of length 9 cm and 3 cm respectively. Find the sides of AB. Find the sides AB and AC. Children, let's observe the figure here. Here there is a triangle and a circle with center O. And this triangle circumscribe the circle with center O of radius 3 centimeters. This circle touches the 3 sides of triangle at distinct points. Let's watch the side BC. Circle touches the BC side at point D, and this point divides the BC side into 2 segments. They are BD and DC. The length of BD is 9 cm and the length of DC is 3 cm. Okay, so by using this concept we have to find the remaining 2 sides. That means we have to find side AB and AC. Okay, let's watch the solution. So we can draw the given triangle as follows. So this is the triangle ABC, and this triangle circumscribe a circle with center O of radius 3 centimeters. The circle touches the sides of sides of triangle at points D, E, F. Okay, so first of all write the given information. So what is the radius of the circle here? Radius of the circle is 3 centimeters, and the circle touches the 3 sides of a triangle at different points. They are D, E, F. Okay, so mention that point here. That the circle touches the sides BC, CA and AB of triangle ABC at points D, E, F respectively. Okay, and it is given that D divides the BC side into 2 segments. They are BD and DC. The length of BD is 9 cm. It is given that BD equal to 9 cm and CD equal to 3 cm. Okay, in order to find the AB side and AC side, join the OA, join the points OA and OB and OC. Okay, so mention the point also here. Join OA, OB and OC. We know that in previous class we have learned this concept, that is the lengths of 2 tangents which are drawn from an external point to a circle are always equal. Okay, so by using that concept we are going to solve the given problem. We know that lengths of 2 tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Okay, this concept we have already learned in previous class. So here in the figure we can observe that this is the circle and C is an external point to the circle. CD and CE are 2 tangents which are drawn from an external point to a circle. That's why these two are equal. That means DC and DE are equal. Okay, here DC is 3 cm. That's why CE is also 3 cm. Okay, this is 3 cm. And similarly B is an external point to the circle, and BD, BF are 2 tangents which are drawn from an external point to this circle. That's why lengths of these 2 tangents are also equal. Here BD is 9, that's why BF is also 9. Okay, similarly A is an external point to this circle, and AF and AE are 2 tangents, and these 2 tangents are drawn from external point to this circle. That's why these are also equal. That's why let name these two lengths as XCM and similarly x cm. Okay, so I mentioned here, because of these are two tangents which are drawn from external point to this circle, that's why bf equal to bd equal to 9 cm, and similarly cd equal to ce equal to 3 cm. I already explained this. Let's assume that af equal to ae equal to x cm, so I already wrote here af ae equal to 9 cm. Okay, now the sides of triangle ABC are BC equal to 12 cm. Let's observe here, BC equal to 9 plus 3, that's why 12 cm. Uh, and we represent this side BC side as A, small a, because this side is opposite to the vertex capital A. That's why symbolically we denote this side, length of this side as small a. Okay. Therefore, the sides of triangle are A equal to, that is small a equal to, small a means BC. BC equal to 12 cm, because 9 plus 3 equal to 12 cm. Now coming to the side AB. So this is the side AB, and the side AB is divided into two segments because of the point of contact F. They are 9 and X. So that's why the length of AB is 9 plus X. Okay, and in another way we can represent this AB side as small c, because this side is opposite to the vertex capital C. That's why C equal to AB equal to 9 plus X. Similarly AC is 3 plus X. Okay, so small b equal to, that is AC equal to 3 plus X centimeters. Okay, now we are going to calculate the area of the triangle ABC. Children, you know that this is a scalene triangle, and you know that area of scalene triangle is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, here I am going to calculate the area of the triangle ABC. That's why I use the area of scalene triangle formula, that is s into square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. And you know that s means perimeter, half of the perimeter of triangle ABC, that is s equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Okay, here a means 12 cm, b c means 9 plus x cm, and b means